Good morning. It's circle time, so please join me for our good morning song. We're going to do our good morning song first, and then we will count our numbers, and we will also do our weather, and then we're going to learn about a new insect. I wonder what insect we're learning about this week. We will see. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands in the morning. I do my dance in the morning. I shout, hooray! This is gonna be a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands in the morning. I do my dance in the morning. I shout, hooray! This is gonna be a wonderful day. Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning, good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Hello, and how are you? Hello, and how are you? Okay, so we did our song. Next, we're going to count our numbers. Okay, we don't have that many numbers today because it is a new month. It was April, but April went away. So we can say bye to April. Bye, April. It is a new month now. It is May. Can you say May? Okay, so we're going to count our numbers we have up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So today is May 4th. Okay, next we're going to do our weather. Let me get our weather chart out, and we will see what kind of weather we have outside today. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it windy or is there rain? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it windy or is there rain? Okay, let's look outside and see what kind of weather we have outside today. Look out the window here. It looks like the sun is out and there is blue sky. So we're going to go over here to our weather chart. And I'm going to put it up here. You can look outside your window and see if you see the same thing. Is it sunny out where you are? I wonder. Okay, so we've been learning about insects last week and the week before. Last week we learned about the ladybug. This week we're learning about a new insect that we are going to talk about. And I'm just going to make sure I have all my things here ready so that we can talk about this new insect. The new insect that we are going to be learning about this week is called a honeybee. Can you say honeybee? And I have a picture to show you of the honeybee. Here's a picture of the honeybee. So today we're going to talk about the characteristics of a honeybee. Some different things that the honeybee has. So the honeybee has two antennas. They have two antennas, and I can show you in the picture here. You can see the two antennas in front. There's two. One, two. And then next, they have wings. They have a back wing and they have a front wing. So here are the wings. And it's also called, the front wing is called a forewing. Can you say forewing? A forewing. And then the back wing is called a hind wing. Can you say hind wing? And I will show you a picture of the wings that I have here that we will put up when we are all done. So there's the wing. The bigger one is the forewing, and the smaller one is the hind wing. So the next thing that we are going to talk about is their legs. They have 6 legs. And I will show you a picture of their legs. So we can count them. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 6 legs. And the 6 legs are jointed legs. And I will show you a picture of their legs. Let me find the picture. Here you can see their legs. So they have 3 on each side. And then the next thing we're going to talk about is their jaws. They have jaws that are called mandibles. Can you say mandibles? And that's how they eat. And they also have compound eyes. They also have a stinger. Have you ever been stung by a bee? I did when I was little, and that can hurt. Sometimes they will sting, and I have a picture of their stinger. In the very back there, you can see the stinger, the little pointy part. And it can hurt when they sting you. The honeybee also has a thorax. which is right here. And then they have a abdomen, which is another word for stomach. So their abdomen is in the back here. So let me show you a picture. So their thorax is in the middle part, kind of where that fuzzy part is, and then in the back is their abdomen. So now I'm going to take a minute to put up our pictures. Let me see if you can see our drawing up here. I'm going to put all of our pictures up by the parts that we talked about. They have a lot of characteristics. Maybe today when you are outside, if you go outside, maybe you can try to look and see if you can find a bee. See if you notice them flying around. I've noticed them in my yard. They like to be outside. Maybe you can try to count how many you see. I have two more pictures that I'm going to put up, and then we'll just kind of review what we talked about by looking at the pictures. So this week, we're learning about the honeybee. We talked about their antennas, that they have two antennas. We talked about their wings, that they have a forewing and a hind wing. They have a stinger. They have 6 legs. They have a jaw, which is called a mandible. And then they have a thorax and an abdomen. So tomorrow we will learn about the life cycle of a honeybee. I hope that you enjoyed our circle time this morning, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.